All right. Good morning, or wait, it's actually daytime already. Good afternoon, everybody. It's been a while, of course. And to get the day started off, I was taking an easy $9 order, which doesn't seem like I'll be getting $9 anymore because the restaurant done messed up. And they messed up the order, and oh my god, the feeling of giving the customer the wrong order is terrible. But the thing is, it wasn't my fault. They gave me the order with the customer's name on it, and so it's just that the bag had the wrong thing on it. So man, I told the customer they can keep it, but they're gonna have to call and let the restaurant know. I mean, I'm probably gonna get in trouble for it, but you know, it's like, what could I do? And instead of getting $9, I'm probably gonna only get these $6 that they gave me, the base pay basically. Yeah, that's what I'm up to today, and I'm only doing today in the daytime because I have family leaving later on. And you know, they're leaving at night, so you know, I got to be there before. So I'm only doing a part-time a part-time delivery today. All right, I just got a second offer, both from Sweet Greens. Let's go and do that.
And any designer coffee.
Pretty warm day, starting to feel like summer, or not really, but it doesn't feel like winter anymore. So it's this building right here with the red Bank of America Tower. Oh yeah, it's this one then. And yes, I have been here before. Yeah, 40th floor. All right.
Going up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Go. And this next drop off is a mission. It's a good thing I'm not taking the deliveries too serious today. I would have been frustrated just because of the first order and how this one I got the building wrong. I hate when that happens. And now this other drop off is gonna be all the way in Pico Union area towards the Westlake, or one of those. But it's pretty far. And let me double check. See, once I get that, yeah, okay. Once a mistake like that happens where it's not even your fault, you know, it had her name on it, it starts getting into your head a little bit. You start trying to be extra careful, which isn't a bad thing, but it could kind of get in the way of your confidence of doing the job right. And speaking about jobs, I had a job interview a few days ago through Zoom, and I felt pretty good about it. But the more I thought about it after the next day, I started trying to examine myself and think, yeah, maybe I did make a few mistakes, you know, because the thing is, when I was doing that interview, you know, you get along with the with the interviewer and you even make them laugh, you know, and you start asking them questions. But that doesn't necessarily mean that that you answered everything right and that you're gonna get the job, you know. And so I was looking up the questions they asked, and they seemed like typical job interview questions. And so I was just studying that and seeing how can I do that better, you know. But the experience, you know, that job interview experience, even if I don't get the job, it kind of gave me more of the confidence to be prepared for the next one. I would really like to work there though. It'll be a school in my area. And so that would be the perfect job, because it'll help me break into LAUSD. And so that would look good on a resume, and that could help paint a better future for me, you know. Because all my work history is office work, so being able to do, like, you know, work at a school, I think that really would help. And I know they got better benefits too. Why did I choose to go up this hill? Oh man, God. I'm getting exercise today, man. That first mission, I felt so out of shape. I mean, I've been going to the gym, but you still gotta get your cardio in. So that's what I'm doing. Get that cardio in, get that cardio. Get that cardio in, get that cardio. See, this lady here is getting her cardio in. I'm getting my cardio in. You know, I never trust these little bike symbols on the street. It basically says, take the whole lane. But it feels like I'm just asking to get honked at or whatever, because cars don't care about that. They see that, they're not even looking at that. They just see you in the way, and they see you in their lane. But right now there's not that much traffic, so it kind of feels like, yeah, whatever. Yeah, this is the wrong street to take. Never take First Street in downtown or in Los Angeles. Well, from downtown heading back. Or what am I saying? Just don't take it at all. I gotta go up this hill, and it's gonna kill the battery, but you know what? Since I'm not gonna be here all day, like I said earlier, I'm not sweating it. It's nice, I get to check out this mural. I don't think I've ever really looked at it. It's like a dinosaur mural. It's pretty old, I think. Belmont. Whew, all right. Those are out the way. All of those deliveries were a lot more time consuming than I wanted them to be. Especially that first one, it turned out it wasn't worth it, you know. Unless the customer decides to give me the tip, but usually it's like they didn't feel satisfied, so what does that mean? You have to pay. Is it your fault? Nope. You still have to pay. I should be going the other way. Not this way. Let's see, it's right here. nice little easy Chipotle pickup. I usually don't mind picking up from there. Some couriers, they don't pick up $5 orders at all. To me, I think it's not that bad. $5, I'll take it. $4 if it's really, really slow. $3, hell no. I would never. Nope. $5 for Panda Express. See, I'll take a $5 Chipotle order, but Panda Express, they're so slow. So yeah, that was not worth it. Not worth the wait. This is a nice day though to come out. This weather's just too good. Too good. Well, when you're in the shade, I love it. Not in direct sun.